Hi everyone, welcome to Real Insights. Quick video today on renting versus buying. What are some of the benefits or reasons that you might want to consider buying versus renting? We get asked that question a lot. First of all, I think of renting as sort of you're going to be paying forever. You never get to that point where you own something, right? Think of leasing a car. Nothing wrong with it, but if you lease a car for 3 years, at the end of 3 years, you kind of have to lease another car. You never really own it. You haven't been working towards payment. It's kind of the same with rent. If you get a loan on a place, it may take you a long while to pay it off, but eventually you will own that house and not have any payments. Another advantage some renters find is getting some bigger tax breaks. If the payment is about the same for rent versus a mortgage, but you also have to take into account that when you have a mortgage, you get to write off things like your taxes that you pay on your property and your mortgage interest typically. And so that can be a financial benefit to you and improve your net worth as well. Finally, you also get more predictable housing costs. When you rent, you really don't know from year to year what the rent will be. It's not unusual for the rent to go up, and certainly the landlord has the option of increasing it dramatically at some times. If they want at the end of each of your rental periods or lease terms. When you won't buy a house, though, you typically get an amortized mortgage, and that means that your principal and interest payment is essentially the same for the life of the loan. So if you get a 30-year loan, you know your principal interest is constant. Now, it's true that some costs like taxes and utilities may go up in a home too, so you're not 100% protected from never feeling the effects of inflation, but the bulk of it, your principal and interest, is typically amortized and is not going to go up for the entire life of the loan. So these are some of the things that people think about, especially at this great interesting time of very low interest rates. So give that some thought. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Stay real informed, and please subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.